Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today for you we're actually going to be painting our coffee bar wall. I'm going to paint it black, a partial part. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you everything that we have done so far. So let me do that right now. So we've put everything on the table here. We got all the tools and all the goodness that we need. Coffee syrups are there. I'm trying to go slow so I don't make you guys dizzy. Let me zoom out. So what we're going to do, we're going to tape down where the shelving is. We're going to put tape along the side of that all the way up on the wall, all the way to the top, then all the way down. And then we're going to remove the shelves, do all the, fill in the holes, do all that stuff, get all the boring stuff out of the way. And then I'm going to start painting the wall. And we're also going to pull this out, obviously. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. So this is the part that I hate, is when we have to tape down everything and our wall is slanted, it's not straight. So the tape, we're having a difficult time getting the tape straight. So we're gonna have to come out more to the left, and I'll turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm talking about.